You're here about your headaches, yes. Okay, well, we'll see if we can find out what's going on there. It'll just involve a few little tests. I'll need to feel around your face, your glands, your temples. We'll do a quick eye examination and probably check your ears as well. Yeah. Have they been causing you trouble for long? Okay, well, first things first, we'll have a quick feel around your neck. Okay, so if you just hold still there, I'll just feel under here. Is that comfortable? Is that okay? Yeah. I can't see anything untoward there, to be perfectly honest. It seems fine. Okay, and we're just going to work around, and we'll just feel the glands at the back of your neck. So if you can stay still for a sec, and we'll just is that okay? Does that feel okay? Yeah. Okay, I'm just feeling for any lips, anything unusual there. No, I'm not feeling anything unusual. Seem to be okay. Yeah, that all feels okay, to be perfectly honest. Okay, I'm just going to work on your temples a little bit. I'm just going to feel around your face, just make sure that's okay. Okay, does that feel okay? Yeah, just hold still. Okay, I'm just going to press a little bit on that. Okay, apply a little bit of pressure, and that feels okay as well. Okay. Yeah, okay, I'm not feeling anything untoward here. We'll just do your jawline as well, because if you have issues with your jawline, it can cause some issues. Okay, so we'll just feel down the jawline there. You just open wide for me for a second. Just open wide. I'll just check. No clicking. No. Okay, that seems fine. Yep. Okay, and then close your jaw for me. Like that. Just lock your teeth together. Yep. Okay. That feels fine. Okay. They're your basic checks, but around your jawline feels absolutely fine. Your glands around your neck don't seem to have any issues there. And just around your temples, you didn't feel any particular pains during that examination? No, that's fine. Okay. I'm going to have a quick look and maybe a clean in your ears. If you could just turn your head to the side for me, and we'll just have a quick look in your ear. Okay, there's a little bit of a build-up of stuff there. I'll give that a quick clean for you. Yeah, that shouldn't take too long. Okay, if you turn your head just to the other side now, and I'll just have a look in the other ear. Yeah, that's fine. Again, just hold that still there for me. Lovely. Okay, we've got the same thing here, just a little bit of a build-up, and I should be able to just clean that out for you. No problem at all. Okay, I'm just going to use one of these little tools here. It's basically just an elongated Q-tip, essentially, so I'm just going to open this up. Okay, we're just going to have a little clean inside. side there for you, okay? If we start with that is, if you just turn. Okay, thank you. Thank you, I'm just gonna, you may hear some sounds whilst I just lean in here for you. Yeah. That's it. Okay. I'm just gonna clean out a little bit more there. Okay, that's better. Sorry, that was a bit better. Okay. Okay, now you turn your head to the other side. I'll use a fresh one of these. And just do the other ear. And just do the other ear. Okay, so again, if you just turn your head to the other side, and that's right. That's right, now just have a look in here. A little bit of a clean. A little bit of a clean. Okay, hold still. That's fine. Is there any more in there? Just checking them. Okay, that might help a little bit. I'll just put this to the side for now. How does that feel if you just move your head around a little bit? Yeah, I just have a quick look. Does that feel, if I just touch around here now, does that feel a bit better? It's not sensitive around the ears, no. Let me just, that's not sensitive. No, that feels okay. And if I just apply a little bit more pressure, just around the ear here. Just apply a bit of pressure there. Does that feel? Does that feel okay? Yep. That feels alright. Okay, good. Okay, we're going to do a quick eye test. So first, I'm actually going to do a few simple checks. So, I want you to try and focus right on my face. Okay, focus on my face. I'm going to put some numbers up, some fingers. I want you to tell me how many. Okay, how many fingers am I holding up whilst keeping your focus on my face? Okay, keep your focus on my face. That's right. On my face. Keep your focus on my face. Keep your focus on my face. Keep your focus on my face. That's good. That's good. On my face. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Right, okay. Peripheral vision seems fantastic. Okay, so now we're going to do another test going to use a light this time, and I want you to tell me when the light enters your vision. Okay? So let me know when the light enters your vision. Okay? Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Tell me when the light enters your vision. Okay, again, keep your focus right there. Tell me when the light enters your vision. Keep your focus right there. Good. 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 Okay. Now, I'm just gonna pull your eye open a little. We're gonna shine the light in here just to make sure that all your reactions, the reactions of the pupil, etc., are as I would expect. Okay, that's perfectly normal. That's good, and we'll just have another look. Okay. Okay. And again. That's it. Hold still. Hold still. Let me just. That's good. Just make sure all your reactions to the light are absolutely normal. That's perfect. No issues there whatsoever. Okay. So finally, we've tested your eyes, your ears, and all the glands. Very quickly test your sense of smell. Okay. So, I've actually got a little pot here. I've got a few little different pots, and again I'm going to use a different one of these. What I'll do is just get a bit of a scent on the end of here and waft it under your nose here. The idea is you smell, you tell me what you can smell. Okay. Okay, are you ready for the first one? Just give that a sniff. Okay, and what can you smell? Excellent. Okay, clean that one up. Get the next one. Okay, you ready? Okay, what can you smell? Yes. Excellent. Okay, get a new one of these. Okay. You ready? Last one. Okay. Just waft this into your nose. What can you smell? Yes. Well done. Well done. Okay, so that's basically ruled out all of those things. All I can think of is maybe try getting a little bit more sleep. That might help. And then see whether you're a little bit stressed out maybe. Take some time to relax and enjoy yourself. But sleep is very important. Okay, well thank you for coming to the clinic. And I hopefully will see you again soon. Have a good night.